open again. For more than a year, this hospital on the outskirts of the capital was converted into an Ebola Treatment Unit and holding centre. Now, after a thorough clean, it's open to receive patients.
So we have started doing minimal operations, mainly outpatient services for the moment. But today, as I'm speaking, we have started admissions. So the hospital is now fully functional.
And back in their normal routine are the Chinese medical team. During Ebola, Chinese healthcare workers helped here in the emergency response. But since August, this team of 9 Chinese clinicians have been dealing with general services like surgery, pharmaceuticals and gynecology.
We were very happy when we were asked to come here. We were told that it is to maintain good relationship between the two countries, and we were very happy to do that.
Before Ebola, there were fewer than 150 Sierra Leone doctors in the country. More than 10 of those died during the epidemic. The government's post-Ebola development plans have focused on building back more robust healthcare services. China has said it wants to help.
You fever continue and then come again because you
have to take another injection.
Yes.
The doctor said if the fever continues, you should come with the boy so that he can have another injection.
The Chinese doctors' services are paid for by the Chinese government. Isata Kamara brought her daughter here for treatment. She's pleased with the service.
The hospital and the duel. The hospital and the duel for the Pikine.
The hospital has been good with the children. That's why we came here. They help us look after our children, and we're grateful for that.
Excellent, thank you.
The Chinese government has said that it will intensify its medical assistance to Africa. And indeed, this hospital in Sierra Leone is earmarked for an ambitious project, not only new buildings and a further 10 doctors, but it's expected to become one of the country's foremost teaching centres.
This hospital is going to be transformed to a much bigger facility. The Chinese government is going to provide some funds, hopefully to build an infectious disease complex at the back of the hospital here. That facility plus this hospital and the newly constructed P3 lab, all of them as a unit, will help to modernize this hospital and help us prepare in future for any outbreak of Ebola or any infectious disease.
The Sierra Leone government has welcomed the Chinese medical assistance. President Ernest Bai Koroma says it's another step towards consolidating bilateral relations. Katerina Vittozzi, CCTV, Sierra Leone.